Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I am going to show you how I got this makeup look. It's just like a little coppery, smoky type of look. So yeah, stick around if you want to see how I achieved this look. Before we jump into that though, when I was recording this, I was like, oh, I'm gonna do like a little chat, you know, get ready with me, even though I'm not going nowhere because we quarantine. But I got in my head like so bad. I'm just like, well, you're not like the other YouTubers, you know, like doubting myself and my abilities. Like nobody wants to hear you talk, blah, blah, blah. And I know that's not the truth, but I really got in my head. So in this video, I didn't really talk that much because yeah, I just let my thoughts get the best of me. I am definitely working on that. It's a work in progress, guys. It's not that I'm not like confident in myself, but I don't know, I just talk myself out of things. So in this video, it was supposed to be like a little chit chat, let's catch up, but I ended up not talking. So my next video, I'ma talk, y'all gonna hear me, okay? So anyway, stick around, see how I got this makeup look, and be on the lookout for my next video. And if I post the next video and I don't talk, I need y'all to come for me. I am giving y'all permission to come for my throat. Like, I need to own who I am. The world needs to hear my voice. But anyway, let me stop rambling. See, I'm talking now. I don't know why. Anyway, let's jump right into the makeup look so y'all can see how I got this. And yeah, let's go. Okay, so my mirror is like down here, so most of this video you're gonna see me looking down. That's what I'm looking down at. I don't know if this is gonna be like a talking video or not, but we'll see when I get ready to edit it, see how I feel. But we're gonna start with the little, you know, Milk of Magnesia. This just helps so my face won't get oily throughout the day, even though I'm not going nowhere and it's like 5 o'clock in the afternoon on I think today is Wednesday. I thought it was Thursday all day. I was like, yay, tomorrow's Friday, even though I ain't got nothing to do. But no, it's Wednesday. So I put a little bit too much on my forehead, but once it dries, I can kind of like wipe some off. So this is going to dry and look a little cray-cray, but whatever. I'm gonna be cute when it's all said and done with. So if you watch my apartment tour, you know that like the window in my bedroom is like floor to ceiling, so I can actually see the people like walking by. And it was a cute dude that just walked by. I don't know, you know, what apartment he live in, but hey. All right, start with brows. the finished look. I just added some lashes, finished my foundation and stuff like that. But I'm pretty satisfied with the way it turned out. So if you like this video, please like it and also subscribe to my channel if you already haven't done that. All right, I will see you in my next one. Bye.